This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and bilkomponenter. We're back home. I had to do a double set of tests because when I did it the first time, I didn't know about the rocket launch mode. And okay, so then I tried again a couple of nights after, but you saw that the rocket launch actually resulted in a worse time, and there's some traction control going on there. So this is with winter tires, Continental Viking Contact 7 actually. So I suspect that the tires, they simply don't give enough grip for the wild 646 horsepower. So yeah, but that's actually why we're gonna use the non-rocket launch results. So 3.77 seconds, okay, 3.8, it still goes, I mean, according to spec, yeah, slightly faster than spec. It is a heavy car though, but you see, Uniper here, performance Uniper, it's more or less the same, yeah, just within measurement error. But the Uniper, you know, is sneaky. It's supposed to be 3.5 with 1 foot rollout. So there, yes, but so it means that the Model Y performance is actually as fast as the Smart #5 Brabus, even though the Smart has a lot more horsepower. But here we just have a lighter car in the Tesla. So yeah, efficiency and light car trumps everything. But yeah, okay. I guess we need to test it eventually in summer. Yeah, with summer tires on the Brabus, then no problem. But actually, I need to highlight something here. Is that when you go further up here, okay, not that much here, a Model 3 Performance. This is MC Hammer, and he is even on Frigus winter tires. So I noticed that with Tesla has pretty good traction control, but also they might make light cars. You see, less than 2 tons. So there, even winter tires, I achieved the same 0 to 100 as summer tires. P0, see, summer tires, yeah. So really, a light car makes a lot of sense. Okay, over to noise. Really good. Also, Smart #5 Brabus. Okay, with winter tire, we have to compare the winter tires against the winter tires. 63 decibel average. I mean, dude, that's like premium or luxury cars, you know, how good they are. Actually, yeah, Chinese cars at the top, but okay, and Korean cars. And also this list here, you can see that it is long, quite long. Like, yeah, it goes quite long there. But let me see. You want to try something here. If I do this and then #3, and that was 66 decibel. Damn. That was also winter tire, R5, okay. #1 then. 66, okay, they are down here. So you see, so the #5 is actually a lot better. Yeah, up here along with like cars that cost like twice as much, you know. Okay, anyway, now you guys seen it, that this smart hashtag 5 is actually a bargain. Performance-wise, comfort-wise, space-wise, feature-wise, charging, it just blows the competitors out of the competition. So that's gonna be it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.